another on it. Okay, y'all, we about to leave Cuz house, but I had to get the 68 one more time. Dang. It's looking good. It's looking good, y'all. Oh, boy. I thought you did something to the door. Alright. I want to get out here and see about this modulator on the transmission. Let me see. Let me see. Give it a cold start. I don't think I started it in a while. I don't know how long it's been. Start right up though. See, I just washing that car. Starts right up. Get out and adjust something right quick. Check this out. Check this out, y'all. I got it in drive, right? And it won't move until it warms up, but it'll jerk. It'll move, like pull forward a little bit. Let me see if you can see. It'll move forward a little bit. But until it warms up, it won't go in drive. Now I was on YouTube and they said that it could be the modulator. Well, they said it was the modulator. I'm trying to let it warm up enough so I can pull it out of the garage, move her car out the way, jack it up and see about this modulator. But the key to that is I don't have much gas in here, so I might have to go up there and get the gas can and go up to the gas station, put some gas in here. Cause trying to let it warm up, see it'll go in reverse fine, no problem, perfect. Come to drive, nothing, but they get a little bit of movement. I was thinking the trans was burnt out, but, and then I want to see if that hose is any good too. Going to the modulator. Keep pulling forward. I don't know if you can see it moving. And after a minute, it's gonna get warm enough to go ahead and move. Now it's in drive. Now I'm running over something. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Stop. Oh, there's nothing stopping me. So why did it stop right there? Let's see what it does. Okay, now there it is. Now it's warmed up. Now it's warmed up, and that's what it does. Not all the way warmed up, but it's getting there. Yeah. until she finishes up, so she can get out of my way. And then I'm gonna go in here and change my clothes too, because I want to take it up to the car wash. I don't even think I could jack it up right there because she done wet the ground up. So I'm gonna let it dry out and see what I'm gonna do. But meanwhile, let me show y'all what I had to do. And I still gotta adjust this carburetor again too. On this electric choke, this piece right here was getting stuck, so I would have to push it down because it was getting stuck. Like when I first started up, it would get stuck closed. I don't know what it was, but I would push it down and it would click. So now I had adjusted something back here, and it's another screw down here that I was messing with. So now I just got to get back to, because I adjusted over here too. Let me see. I adjusted over here, right here, and the screw over here. I don't know which one is air and which one is gas, so I'm still messing with it. But for right now, I'm just gonna trying to get it around. I think I might have found a shop for me to take it to a motor shop. I was looking for a motor shop to get this thing right. I really want to have them pull it out and change all the gaskets and change the valve cover gaskets and the intake. I mean the valve cover and the intake, and clean off the inside of the car. Because it's almost time for paint after I get this little small stuff situated. I'm not ready for paint. It's not ready for paint yet, but I'm ready for paint, shit. But meanwhile, I'm just gonna pull it out and check and see, jack it up and see what's going on with the modulator. Because once it goes in the gear, once it gets warmed up and go in the gear, it's all right after that. But for now, I'm just gonna let it be right now. We're running out of gas. See, that's what I'm talking about. I'm out of gas. I ran out of gas. Go to the gas station and get some gas, man. I wasn't prepared. I wasn't ready. All right, let me turn this off and get back in a little bit. All right.